Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make jalapeno salsa full guide. Wash and dry all ingredients before you begin. Start by coring tomatoes, deseeding jalapenos if desired, and chopping onions uniformly. Use a sharp knife for cleaner cuts and consistent texture. Taste as you go and adjust lime and salt to balance heat. Wear gloves when handling peppers if you have sensitive skin. Keep a bowl of cool water. Gather your ingredients and set up a prep station before you start. Chop tomatoes into even pieces and remove excess seeds from jalapenos if you prefer milder salsa. Finely dice onion and roughly chop cilantro for even distribution. Measure lime juice and salt so you can adjust quickly while tasting. If you like a smoky note, briefly char tomatoes under high heat and cool them before chopping to maintain bright acidity. Mix everything gently and taste early to get your balance right. Add lime for brightness, salt for depth, and jalapeno for heat. If you prefer a gentler edge, simmer salsa for a few minutes then cool to blend flavors. For chunky texture, keep tomato and onion larger, and for smoother salsa, pulse briefly in a blender. Always chill salsa for at least 30 minutes to let flavors marry before serving.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.